doors wide. Come on in, let's take the ride. Hotels, views, worldwide. Our crazy room tour life.
Room tour of room 501 in the Zeus Wyndham Grand Hotel in Athens. So this is a suite, so it was an upgrade. You come in here, you've got a big areas. You come in here with an interconnecting door there. Come through here, and this is your lounge area. Bit of artwork there, lots of lighting, big sofa and a chair. You've got a kettle and a coffee machine with some cups and some coffee pods, and some tea bags. Actually, they weren't there yesterday, so they've added those today because they've been in to do the room. It looks like you've got big 4 windows, but actually it's only that window and the window that way that's actually a window. The rest is just wall behind full-length curtains. So it's quite a dark room. You've got a little chair and table there. You've got a TV this side with a desk with a drawer. You've got some plug sockets there and some lighting. Come around here into the bedroom area. So you've got a big bed there. We slept here last night and it's very comfortable. It's quite noisy on the road, but actually we slept well. You've got 2 bedside tables, a phone that side. Sockets are down underneath, so you sort of have to lean over to get those in. No USBs or anything, just European sockets. You've got some reading lamps. This side the same, the sockets are at the bottom. You've got a full-length mirror there, which is good. And then this is your only storage. So for a big room, I don't think the storage is the best. This side you have got some hanging space, which is fine in there, and you've got the safe. And then you've got an umbrella there and a ironing board. I haven't actually seen an iron anywhere, but maybe. And then this side you've got an empty fridge and some glasses and some shelves, but there's no drawers of any description other than that little one in the desk. So if you were staying here for a length of time, I think you'd struggle to unpack everything with the hangers that they give you. But we're only here for 2 nights before getting on our cruise. So 2 nights here, end of May. It was just over £400 for the 2 nights in this upgraded room. For that, we've got this room and we've got breakfast, which was on the top of the hotel where the rooftop pool is. Buffet style breakfast, but it was a lovely setting, view of the Acropolis. Yeah, pretty standard breakfast, but no complaints. This is the bathroom in here. So you've got a shower, big shower head up there, some hooks, and then you've got a bath as well with another shower over the top. Toilet, telephone next to the toilet in case you need it. There's a hairdryer, makeup mirror, 1 sink, always house and storage space under there. A couple of robes, they were in the wardrobe, not the softest, but it's nice to have those, and there were some slippers as well in the wardrobe. So yeah, so room 501, Wyndham Grand Athens, about 10, 15, 20 minute walk to the main area of Athens, so not too bad. Not in the nicest area, but it's not too bad. But we got an Uber really easily last night back here when it was dark for literally five euros. The view would be nicer if the windows were better. The windows are absolutely filthy. You've got a bit of artwork over there. I mean, we're in a city, so the views are not, you know, it's a view of Athens, but nothing to complain about. I'll show you the view this side. I think this one's not quite as, I mean, it is what it is, if I can get in. So you've got the roundabout down there. Beautiful day, Athens, end of May, high 20s. Had a lovely time up at the pool, which I will show you. Very small. The staff are fine, but they're very slow and no one seems to know. There's lots of them everywhere, but none of them seem to know what they're doing. It takes a long time for a drink, and someone spilled something in breakfast and they asked for it to be cleared up, and by the time we left, a good 25 minutes later, they still hadn't come cleaned. Big mess on the floor, like liquid on the floor where someone could fall over. So yeah, a little bit odd. But altogether, pretty happy for our pre-cruise stay in this hotel.